Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, January 7th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I'm going to keep this video short, but I just wanted to go over the refund policy with you, okay? I had a couple people ask me if there was one, and there absolutely is one. I don't know why you would want a refund, but in case you want to learn more about the refund policy, it can be found down at the bottom of the LiveGood website right here. And basically what it says is for product purchases, all LiveGood products have a 90-day empty bottle guarantee. If you are not 100% satisfied with any of our products for any reason, simply send back the unused portion or empty bottle to, and there's their address right here. Be sure to include your name that was on the order or your order ID number. And then for membership purchases, it says LiveGood monthly membership charges can be refunded up to 30 days from the date of the charge if there were no product purchases after that date. LiveGood yearly membership charges will be refunded 100% if requested within 30 days and never used, and 50% if requested within 90 days. After 90 days, no refund will be given. To request a refund of a LiveGood membership, simply send an email to support@livegood.com with the name and/or ID number on the account. All right, so that's a pretty generous refund policy, I think, that LiveGood has. All right, a 90-day empty bottle guarantee. You can sign up here. You can be a member. You can be an affiliate and a member and try the products. If you don't like them, you have 90 days. So, I mean, you're completely covered with your membership and the products. All right, I think it's really awesome. All right, and while I have you on here, I'm just going to show you my back office really quick. All right, you can see up here, Russ, and I'm just going to click on my team, and I'm going to go up to View and Roller Tree, and I'm going to click on All Levels. Look at this, folks. I have 64 new affiliates this month and 65 new members. Now, if you watched my video from yesterday, linked down in the description, you will see that this number was 53 and this number was 54. Okay? So 11 new people have joined our team just since yesterday when I recorded my video yesterday. All right? So, folks, this is absolutely growing like crazy. It's not something that you want to think about too much longer, okay? Whether you join with me or somebody else, it's fine. But just get in this. If you're a marketer or even if you've never made money before, check this out. This is something that you don't want to pass up on. I keep saying it to that people I'm talking to. I'm comparing it to like if you were to partner up with Jeff Bezos when he started Amazon out of his garage, right? When he was selling used books out of his garage and growing with the company. All right, this is a ground level opportunity right here to get into a company that is going to be around for a long time. All right, they're talking about putting fulfillment centers throughout the world. It's just going to be something that's huge, and so even if it takes you a year or 2 years to build up a full-time income with this, it's something that's very, very possible, okay? And again, all the disclaimers are down in the description. I can't guarantee you're going to make any money with this, but I will tell you that in all the 16 years I've been online marketing, this is something that you want to really check out and not pass up, okay? So to learn more about it, click the link down in the description box. It'll take you over to my page that looks just like this. There's a 5-minute, 55-second video here that you can watch that goes over everything you need to know to make an informed decision on whether this is something that you want to partake in or not. All right? That's it for this video. All right? There's a refund policy. It's awesome. And but more importantly, get in right now. You don't want to waste any more time. Get in the matrix. There's only about 5,000 people in this company right now, and the company founder and CEO is predicting that by the end of this year, there's going to be over 1 million people in this company. All right, and just look at the companies that have been around for 10 or 12 years when they have 10 plus million people in there. All right, you want to be at the top of the matrix, or you want to be down at the bottom. All right. So anyway. If you have any questions, again, leave them down in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out, and I truly do appreciate it, all right? I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.